cleaning nose. Mucus in the nose helps trap germs and other particles to prevent them from getting further inside the body. When a combination of mucus, germs, and particles dries out, it becomes a booger. Boogers and minor slimy nasal secretions are sometimes natural. Noses create them every day. Removing deep boogers can sometimes relieve discomfort. However, people should do this carefully, ensuring that they keep their hands clean and dispose of the boogers properly afterwards. Do you know how to safely remove your boogers of your own nose? First, you have to wash your hands with soap and water. Then, dry them completely. Second, get a tissue or wet wipes. Tissue, wet wipes. Third, blow your nose using the tissue or wet wipes. You may pick your nose with a tissue, but you should be careful because it may irritate or injure the skin inside your nose. Fourth, discard the tissue or wet wipes in the trash bin. Do not use the same tissue or wet wipes over and over again. Fifth, wash your hands again with soap and water. If you do not wash your hands, your fingers can introduce germs that could make you sick. Again, what are the things that we use in cleaning our nose? The first one is right! This is a tissue. What about this one? Right! This is a wet wipe. Great job! This is Teacher April, your clever teacher, reminding you to practice good personal hygiene. See you next time!